Welcome to this episode of Mommy's E-Star. It's Ladybug Day. And so what happened was we went to the nursery as a regular sort of outing, and it turned out to be free Ladybug Day. So if you bought anything at all at the nursery, they give you a bag full of free ladybugs. So we didn't film the part at the nursery, but we did bring the ladybugs home, and we'll show you them on this video. And then we did release them, and I also did a little craft of ladybugs, and I'll show that to you as well. You want to pick it up?
Pick it up.
Yeah. Wow, we sure picked a good day to go to the nursery.
Ladybug.
Look, it tells the life cycle of them. So we're gonna let them out into this cage. It has some water because they're gonna be thirsty. Poor little guys, they're running everywhere, huh? Be careful to open it, and then we'll dump them in. Now I put some water in there for them, and we'll let them go tonight. It says to let them go at night, so that I guess that helps them to stay in the garden a little bit, but honestly, they fly away quite a bit. Most of them will fly. Look, how they get these is they go up the mountains where they hibernate, and they just shovel them into bags because there's piles of ladybugs up there. And the locations of the ladybugs are kept secret because they're like gold, because they can sell them to the nurseries. But then when you put them in their garden, they'll eat some aphids, and then they'll just pretty much fly away. So I don't buy them anymore, but since they give them to us for free, that's nice for them to go into our garden. Oh! You want to dump? Here, dump it out. They're very sturdy, so I'm not too worried about her holding them. And she knows to be gentle. Good one. But don't let it fly away in here. Ah! Oh, it's on you! It's on you! They're so sturdy, though. The outer wings are so hard. Shake, 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 shake. Ah! Gentle, put it in. Ah! They're very, very anxious to get out of this. I feel so bad for them trapped in here. Ladybug. I think we should write a ladybug song. Gave us these little tiny wooden ladybugs. So while we're waiting to let them free, I'm going to make some ladybug crafts. Just bringing the ladybugs all around. Oh, you don't have to talk about it. Just like to watch them scamper. Gonna let our ladybugs escape. escape. We're gonna let our ladybugs escape now.
Let's let the ladybugs go.
I'm gonna open it, please.
It's not that easy to open.
Mom.
Yes, I'll just loosen it for you. There you go. Now you can let it out. Got out already? They're flying, huh? Ladybug. Let's put them on there. It's not easy to control them. Oh, just in time. We got free ladybugs from the nursery. See? We're letting them free.
No, I want to let them free.
Let Olivia help.
What's the thing inside?
I'm not sure what that is.
I have 2 millipedes in here.
Oh, cool.
This morning I went.